Yo people, wagwan. Welcome back to Ron's Tech Hub, and today I have with me again the DJI Neo 2. I'm finally going to be testing this outside in the park, so I'm going to actually go outside and try and fly it today. However, the controller I had before, which was the RC2 I believe, is not going to work with this because it doesn't have the transceiver at the back. So this is the drone only fly more combo. So it comes with the drone and the battery, but it does not come with the controller or the transceiver at the back. So what I'm going to do instead is simply fly the drone using the features on the drone, nothing else. So let's go. All right, so what I've done here is I've set it to droney and I've set it to 2 meters and I've set it to rise. I don't actually know what rise is, so let me see if I can change that. Press and hold the button at the back. I think I'm going to try flat first. That seems to be a sensible choice. So again, I'm on droney, I'm on 2 meters, and I'm on flat. So I'm going to now confirm this by pressing that button at the side, the red button at the side. That's been confirmed. I'm going to press the same red button again to confirm one more time.
2 meters.
So it's gone 2 meters. It's staying level and it's going to do what it needs to do. So it's gone out 2 meters, now it's coming back in. There we go, perfect. Next, I'm going to do circle, the same 2 meters, and I'm going to leave it on flat. And let's see what happens. I'm going to confirm it now by pressing that button there at the side. So I'm going to press it once to confirm it.
2 meters, circle, 3,
There we go.
1.
It's going to go all the way around. There it is. Now it should start coming towards me now. There we go. It's going to land in my hand. Perfect. Now I've set it to rocket. I'm going to leave it on 4 meters and it says spin off. I have no idea what that means, but let's figure it out. I'm going to confirm again from the side.
4 meters, rocket.
Oh, it's gone above my head at 4 meters. Keep still going up, still going up, still going up. Now it's coming back down. Now I'm going to try follow. I'm going to leave it on medium and I'm going to leave the angle to low. And again, I'm going to confirm this. Now I need to confirm one more time because that was just confirming the settings that was on the screen.
Rear, follow, 3, 2.
There it is following. It's freezing now, so I'm going to go back to the car. I'm going to have it follow me back to the car, medium, rear, and I'm going to leave it on high. So let's see how well it does. So far, very impressed. I haven't watched the footage yet, but I have high hopes for this thing because the previous one was really, really good.